Hello world, welcome to Java training, and in this session we are discussing about the concept of object. So in our last class we have already discussed on the concept of classes. So classes is the collection of things that share common attributes and activities, and we have already seen this particular example when we were learning about the concept of class, right? So let me take the example of dog class first. The breed of the dog, let's say one breed can be Labrador, another breed can be Bulldog. Breed across these things can be same or different, right? Similarly, color attribute across all these things, across all the things in the dog class can be different. One dog can be of black color, another dog can be of brown color, and so on. But if you look towards the attribute legs, so all the healthy dogs will have same number of legs, that is 4. So this will be same across all the dogs, right? Irrespective of breed, color, and everything else. So the attribute that have same values across all these things are known as static attributes. If we look towards the activities of dog class, so detect bomb. So detect bomb, some dog can detect bomb, some dog cannot detect bomb. So it can be yes or no, right? Military trained dog can detect bombs, so it is yes for them. Whereas normal dogs, a street dog, may or may not detect bomb. This is something which can be same or different across all these things. So this particular activity, detect bomb, can be same or different across the different dogs, right? But if you look towards bark and run activity, so every dog can bark, every dog can run, right? So bark and run are the activities which are same across all the dogs. So the activities that are same across all these dogs are known as static activities. So this was the concept of static attributes and static activities. So static attributes and static activities are those which are same everywhere, whereas non-static attributes and non-static activities can be same or can be different. Now if we'll see the example of student class, so here also name of the student, age of the student can be same or different, but color of uniform is same for every student. Similarly, attend lecture, do homework, so every student have to attend lecture and every student have to do homework. So this is also a static activity in the student class. But monitoring class is a non-static activity because only one or two students in a class are assigned with the monitoring task. So this is non-static activity. So this was the quick explanation of static and non-static. Now if I will extract out these static attributes and activities out at a common place, because it is same across, right? So rather than putting it again and again in these things, we can extract them out and keep it at a separate place, right? So when I'll extract that out, when I'll separate out the static attributes and activities, so the picture will somewhat look like this, right? After extracting out the static attributes and activity from those things that I've shown in the previous slide, whatever left is known as the object. So these circular things shown here are the object, which will have their own copy of breed, color, and detect bomb, and all these objects will share the common copy of legs attribute as well as bark and run activity. Similarly, in the student class, all these things shown in circular shape are the object of student class, which will share the common copy of static attributes and activities. So this was the concept of object. So an object is the collection of all the non-static attributes and activities that are visible in the class where object is created. So right now you can just focus on this particular underlined definition that an object is the collection of all non-static attributes and activities. So with initialized value and visible in the class, these things I will cover up later on when we will discuss the concept of objects programmatically using Java language. And yeah, so let me revise the concept of static and non-static also that I have explained you a few minutes back. So static attributes and activities are those whose value is same in all the object and has only one copy, and non-static attributes and activities are those whose value is same or different in all the objects and have different copies. So whatever is written on this slide, I will explain each and every point programmatically and prove it. So this was the quick concept of object and concept of static and non-static.